Hey, what's going on? Raheem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Marketer Magic review, and I'm going to be focusing on their feature that allows you to generate profitable leads literally in any industry, all right? So if you want to learn exactly how you can do that, then definitely stick with me throughout the rest of this video. Now, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and minimize my camera. All right, so now that I've minimized my camera, I'm about to go over here to the left tab. So as you can see, all these different tabs. So where we want to go is we want to go to mini leads. Okay, now just to kind of give you, a little bit of, I guess you could say, some advice, is anytime that you're trying to market anything on the internet, you literally have to have a target market. And if you don't have a target market, it makes your journey very stressful, because you're going to be putting your message in front of people who don't want what you want, what you're putting out there in the first place, right? They have no type of interest, and that's the worst thing in the world. I'll be completely honest with you. So you want to have a target market. That's the first thing. So what I'm about to show you how to do is how you can get that in the niche in which you decide to go ahead and target or put your offer in front of. Okay. All right, so as you can see, I've already done a couple of different lists. So you can see realtors in Scottsdale. What is this? More realtors in Flagstaff. I even did a test for realtors in New York, insurance agents, network marketers in this particular area. And you can do it based around the area too. So this is extremely beneficial. All right, so let's go and show you how it's done. So first thing, you want to go up here to where it says create campaign. We're going to click create campaign. All right, so now what you're going to do first is you're going to name the campaign. So what I like to do is, depending on who it is, I'll put in the campaign name the niche. So if I'm targeting realtors, then I'll put realtors or real estate agent or whatever. Or if I'm targeting network marketers, or if I'm targeting whatever it is that you're targeting, you want to put that in there. So let's just say that I wanted to target insurance agents. All right, let's just say insurance. Well, I already did that, but let's just change the actual location. So insurance agents in Houston, Texas. Let's try that. All right, so Houston, TX. All right, so that's what I'm going for. Now I'm going to enter in here insurance agents. Okay, so you can see it already populated. All right, so agents. All right, so hey, let me go ahead and click that again. Sorry. All right, so here we go. Insurance agent. Now in the location, since I know that I'm trying to get insurance agents in Houston, Texas, then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and type Houston. So as you can see right off the bat, it has Houston, Texas, and then right now I have all I have the filters that I want, right? So now what you want to do is you want to hit show leads. All right, now what it's doing is it's going to find all of the insurance agents within Houston, Texas that meet the parameters that I've set up. All right, so and then what it's going to do is right off the bat, you can see it gives the name, it gives the website, it gives the email, the phone number, the address, the social medias. Do they actually have a Facebook pixel on their site? Because you could actually make money, from people who are not leveraging a pixel, because a pixel is actually going to keep you in front of your potential customers, right? So that's extremely powerful right there. All right, so right off the bat, they give you a ton of different information. So Zip Insurance Services, and sometimes you gotta kind of dive into it, look at the websites, because some of these are actually going to be like company websites, because sometimes in the insurance space, they give you like a company website. It's yours, it's branded to you. It's branded to the company, but it just has your credentials on it. So like when a person could basically reach out to you if they want to reach out to you, but it's really a site that's ran by the company. But sometimes you'll actually find where there are like independent insurance agents, right? So then they're actually running their own show. right? So that's definitely, something that you want to pay attention to in here as well. So Zip Insurance Services, Zach Muzzy, State Farm Insurance, right? So you can see it has a name on it, UB Escalona, LA Insurance. So that's more of the company, but then you see somebody's name as we continue to go over. So literally, you have all the information that you would need from these people. And what's going to be extremely important is you don't just want to call these people and just try to pitch them, because this industry is about relationships. Like, business is truly built on relationships. So if you send them an email, right, and maybe they don't respond there, right, then maybe you could shoot them a text, or maybe you could give them a call. Something that I was doing, and I'll just share with you something that I did with this particular software right here. And crazily enough, I actually got a few responses back. Let me just kind of break this down. So basically, I seen that I had the people's emails here. So what I did is, instead of just sending them a pitch email, where I'm just trying to pitch them and they probably get multiple pitches a day, what I did is I actually went to their particular website. This worked a whole lot better with the independent, the independent people, the people that were kind of running their own show. But what I did is I went to their website. I turned on, I have something that's called Loom, because Loom allows you to pretty much record the web page that you're actually on, right? So what I did is I recorded while I was on their website, and I talked about some things that I noticed that could, benefit their business even more, right? And it would actually benefit them, because something that I was pointing out was what I talked about earlier in this video. So right here, you can see it says Facebook Pixel. So I noticed it said it wasn't a Facebook Pixel here, on their website. So what I did is I went over to it, I clicked on the little Facebook, this particular thing right here. As you can see, it has Pixel on this particular website. But what I did is I went to their website, looked up here, I didn't see it, and then I explained to them in the video. So I gave them value, I educated them on why this was necessary, and that's probably why I ended up getting some responses back, because they seen the value and what it is that I was talking about, right? Now, I'm an upfront, I'm an honest person, so I didn't actually close any of those people, but the fact that they actually responded back, that showed me that what I did was something of value. So that's actually something you could actually try. And once again, the Chrome extension is called Loom. Okay, you can record the screen, make a quick video. I don't even think my video was more than 2, maybe 3 minutes. I think that was the longest it was, and I just gave value. All right, so that's one way you can go about it, or you can shoot that video through text, or you can get on the phone and do the whole call thing, but I wouldn't recommend that right off the bat. All right, so this is pretty much how you can literally come and use Marketer Magic and just get leads and strategize, right? You even get their social media, so you can build a relationship on social media, right? On any one of these, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. You can see certain people have different, different social medias, and you can just kind of reach out that way, all right? So this is how you can generate profitable leads. It just really depends on the strategy you decide to go forward with. And most importantly, you want to be consistent with it, right? Because if you're not consistent, like if I didn't send out, like if I'm not mistaken, I sent out about 30, I probably sent out about 30 to 40 before I started getting some responses. But if I only stopped at doing 10, right, then I wouldn't have seen any response at all, right? So you got to be consistent with whatever strategy you decide to move forward with, having all of this information. All right, so if you got some value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below letting me know if this was helpful or valuable. And if you want to pick up Marketer's Magic, I'll leave the first link in the description down below for you to check it out. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.